if the question is why, what is keeping you from doing a deal, and the answer is I don't have a contract. Okay. I've run into this a ton in my experience, and that is especially new people involved in this business think that a contract where you're taking over payments is some type of magical, uh, highly unusual, very different sort of contract. And it's just not. Any contract that you use for any real estate purchase can be used for subject to. Now, the recommendation, there's a couple of things that you add to it. You want to address the fact that you're purchasing the property subject to. And in fact, if you're one of our Sub2 forum or $7 coaching members, we've got that right there in the group. It's just an addendum that you can attach to any contract, but I'll just tell you basically what's in it. And you can add that as an addendum. You can write it in the special stipulations. You can do that any way you want to. And it's just that, this property is being purchased subject to the existing loan with Bank of America, loan number XYZ in the amount of, $97,362, payments to start being made on a certain date. And you just want to be very specific on those things. Make sure that's in your contract. That really, simple as it is, magically turns that contract into a Sub2 contract. So there, you got that taken care of. If you don't have a contract, it's no big deal, is it? Hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.